World's first metal 3D printed gun. Now, before you ask about the cigar or insult it, it's a high-end cigar. It costs about 10-15 bucks. If I can find the band, I can tell you exactly how much it cost. Now, the world's first 3D metal printed gun. We've had 3D plastic polymer printed guns before. And we've seen the videos all over the internet, and a lot of people are getting in trouble with Homeland Security, DEA, ATF, and all these other guys because of these guns. Now, making a gun for yourself, for your own personal use, I believe you don't even have to get the damn thing registered. You just need to, if it's full auto, you need to get the thing registered, but otherwise it's just for your own personal use. It's whatever. What this means is that when this technology comes out more readily available, people are going to be building these things left and right. Now, the company that made this 3D printed metal gun is Solid Concepts, and from the video that I watched, Russia Today, they did it in their spare time, and it's a company in Texas, so I'm not really surprised there. What are Texans known for? Fattening foods and guns. Ugh. Don't say hillbillies, because that's where I live. Okay. Now, the gun that they used, the design that they used, it's not their own special personal design. It's this firearm right here. This is a Rock Island Armory 1911. John Moses Browning design. Now, mine's a commander sized. I love this thing. It's an amazing gun. I'm honestly thinking about buying me another one after I finish fixing this one up. There's nothing wrong with this one. It's just I want to do more with it. I want to add a couple more parts to it. I also want to change out, do some things with the finish. That I'm probably just going to send it off to another company to do. I've got me some custom parts on it already. I'm not going to talk about that too much, though. But this design right here, it's a well-known design. It's a durable design. And the higher-end 1911s last several 100,000 rounds. I've heard of a Kimber and a Kimber and a Wilson Combat going up to 500,000 rounds. And the highest I've heard of a Rock Island Armory is going 50,000, but still going strong. Not super loose or any of that shit. They used the 1911 design for this. Now, they're bragging about 50 rounds. People, I lay down more than 50 rounds every single time I go to the range. Whenever I go to the range, through my 9mm, which is this gun right here, TriStar CZ75 clone. Cheap, but damn near as good as the actual thing that it was designed after. And they simplified a few parts for production costs. It's a great fucking gun. They simplified a couple parts there. Shit, where was I again? Okay, yeah, I'll lay down about 200 rounds every single time I go to the range with that damn thing, which has been a while because it broke. And the 1911, usually I will run about 5, 10, 20 rounds just to make sure that the damn thing's still working. And I love shooting that 1911, I just don't have the money for 45. Yeah, 45 is not cheap. Anyways, when this technology becomes more available, people are going to be building these things left and right. You can't watch over it. And it's not just going to be limited to that. Somebody's going to be like, oh, boy, I want a Corvette. I don't have a Corvette. I'm going to build one because I've got the plans off the internet. From my 3D printer. Now, I imagine the first few iterations of this, the design's not going to be all that great. I mean, you look at the 3D printing that we got now, I mean, you see a bunch of lines that smooth shit out on their designs just because, well, it's not that great. It's just going to expand from there. The 3D printers that we're seeing nowadays, they're getting better and better. And it's going to be the same way with the metal ones. And of course, you got those negative Nancy's, where as soon as somebody 3D printed a gun from the plastic polymer 3D printers, somebody freaked out and decided, oh shit, we need to monitor these things. I'm sorry, but there are ways past that. If someone wants to, they can put that programming technology on a computer, and then if you have to have the program hooked up into the internet to watch what it is that you actually make, they can install like a patch or something like that to fool the computer into thinking that they're talking to the NSA and all that other shit like that. And keep the thing completely off the internet. 100% non-internet compatible computer. If they so fucking felt like it. That gun right there, people are going to be building that thing because it's a well-known design. It's over 100 years old, and it works well, and it's more popular today than it has ever been, ever. That's going to be one of the first designs out there. It's a durable design, too. So at this point, you can't stop people from getting guns whether you want them to or not. Shit. Not only that, this beckons in a new future for technology, period. People who they have a design, but they wanted to build it, but they didn't have the money for it. Okay, so I'm sure someone's got a 3D printer I can borrow and just upload this design and work on it myself. People are going to be doing that shit. People are going to be renting out 3D printers now for their fucking prototypes and all that other happy shit. And it's just going to expand from there. This right here, this 3D printing technology, it changed the fucking world. And people are going to start building things from nothing. In Russia, somebody built a fucking house from 3D printing. Yeah! And it wasn't just, okay, we're going to build in certain sections. No, they 3D printed an entire fucking house. Not with wires and all that crap, just, the outer shell. The basic structure. This is only going to expand, and it's going to get better. Much better, in my opinion. Now, that being said, I'm done with my rant and ramble. I want to know what you guys think. Have a nice day.